Okay, so this video is the first of a new series called Endless Ideas, and the name gives it maybe away. It's a new playlist, and I have the problem that I have too many ideas, and I want to answer the question, can ideas become a burden in my own way, or at least I want to find a solution. So if this is my head, I have so many ideas, it's full of them. And I imagine that by actually communicating them, by like making them public, I'm able to almost like give birth to them. So my idea is that if I imagine my head rather being like a womb, you know, where you like being pregnant in a way, I would say I may be pregnant with 20 babies, right? And by removing some babies, by publishing them and talking about them in this form where I just like sketch it out really and then decide for the world to what to do with them really, I move them out of my own womb, right? So this is, let's see. This is, let's see how this works. So this is the current situation. This is me right now. And the idea is to move into a different state where my ideas are just very few. Let's say maybe just like 2 instead. So it's way easier or way better if I'm pregnant with 2 babies, which would be manageable, like twins, instead of 20 really. And I imagine it like this also is, what if being pregnant is a good thing, you know, with so many ideas? What if they are a burden the way they are right now? But I imagine if I would be like a cow that would produce too much milk, you know, and should the milk be thrown away and go to waste? No, the idea is to make cheese, right? So with the excess milk, something can be done with it. And publishing the ideas makes me feel less guilt about not giving birth to them, while at the same time giving the planet or the public or you, my listener or viewer, the opportunity to do something with it. If you, for example, maybe don't have enough ideas. So the positive of this is I have less ideas to go pregnant with, while at the same time, you can take my ideas and produce something with them. Get productive, right? Whatever you like. It's like they have moved out of my womb and you can decide if you want to move them into yours, right? And maybe that's you. And all I'm asking is, if you make one idea, if you give birth to it, I don't know, like think of me, maybe my idea, I don't know, this sounds a little bit weird, but in a way it's still my baby. Like I took part in making it pregnant, so to speak, if we want to keep that metaphor here. And another thing about the ideas really is, although they may look like just a circle right now, they actually are little warriors. And so this should be a sword. And warriors means that ideas in this world fight for their own life. Once you've given birth to an idea, it wants to exist in the universe. So in a way, every idea is fighting another idea that could compete with the idea for existence. And if I think my ideas are worthwhile, my ideas are important, are beneficial to the world, by giving birth to them, or at least like doing my part and you doing your part, maybe we can make the world a better place. That's the whole concept. That's the whole idea. So I'm benefiting by removing so many excess ideas from my brain so I can actually realize a few of them. And by you following this channel, by you watching that video and following my Endless Idea playlist, you will get really good ideas that you can decide if you want to pursue them and give birth to them or even spread them, right? Maybe like this one warrior just needs more attention and just needs a following. Maybe like whatever his, maybe that idea has to change the world and you will tell others about it. And yeah, let's use that excess milk. Let's produce some cheese and let's get productive. So that's the Endless Ideas playlist. That's the first video. And I can tell you so many more will follow. And likely the next one will be about media consumption. Yeah, we'll see. Okay. See you soon. Bye-bye.